Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the homestead.
Morning, guys.
Well, we're over here at the house build.
We are.
And it's time to start laying out some floor joists. So we're not going to waste any time, and we're going to get right on it. So stick around. All right, guys, let me show you what I got going on here. So here's our beam. I got the hand planer out. I already did this little section. You can see it's nice and smooth all the way across. And if we come down here, you can see there's a little lip there. So what I did was, when I got the laser level out and leveled these beams, I put the laser level on whatever side of the beam was lowest, so that I knew when I came back in and planed, if I planed down to that, it would still all be level. And that'll give us a perfectly flat surface to lay our floor joists on. So I'm gonna get on that, and then we're gonna start laying these floor joists out. Think? Feel pretty good?
Yeah.
That's good.
That'll work.
That should work.
Hold on, you're gonna rip.
Yep.
Ooh, those boards look really nice.
Okay, guys, so I made my cuts. I've got my lengths cut out. So what I have here is a 12-footer, a 2-footer, and a 12-footer. Obviously, we're looking for 26 feet for a total span. So what's going to end up happening is we're going to take the 12-footers like that, and they're going to get a 2-footer in the middle, okay? And then on the opposite side, I have a 6-footer that I'm gonna put, so it'll be 2 feet on each side of this shim, and then 2 10s on the outside of that, to give us a double thick rim joist at 26 feet long. Can you hand me one of those 6-footers? Stick it right up on here. 2 and at 4. So that when we set it up, if we put the end of this 12 and the end of this 12 at this line, it should leave us our 2 foot in the middle. And that's what we're hoping for. Stand
free
these up.
and dive into the sky.
Go ahead.
Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
It should be a yes. Perfectly. Make sure that 2 footer will still fit in there.
Going harder, we are more than numbers.
That's fine. We want it to be tight.
In the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way. Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting
Good boys.
darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army.
Okay, now that we have our rim joists on that side and our wall joist between the 2 sections of flooring all put together, all I'm gonna do is measure out 16 on center on both sides, and we can start putting brackets in.
Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again. Picking up the stones our hands were made to feel. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. We've got us. 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 Yes!
Okay, we've got all our brackets on now. It's time to cut and set in all our floor joists.
Taking happiness for granted. Mistakes happen, you and I will learn. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. And still we've got us. 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 Still we've got us.
I know.
Oh,
It was super cold when we got here. And now I'm sweating.
yeah, well, that was a workout getting these over here. That's 21 of these. We need 2 more for end caps. I did not lash these in yet because we are running out of daylight, guys. We've got about 20 minutes left and the sun will be setting, and we still have evening chores around here to get done and a bunch of other stuff. So,
And we have our live tonight.
and we have our live tonight. We'll see y'all on the live tonight. But that's gonna do it for us. What do you guys think? First of 3 platforms are
I
done.
know. I can't believe
We're building our own house.
I know.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.